Hey everyone, if you have been using the Coinbase app and wondering on how to buy Popcat on it, then this tutorial is for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy Popcat on the Coinbase app. So let's dive right in. First of all, find the Coinbase app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, you will see something like this on your home page. Now tap onto the search bar and type Popcat just like this and search for it. Now here we can find one of the currency of the Popcat. Now tap on it. Now to buy it, simply tap onto buy button at the bottom just right here. After that, add the additional information about the cryptocurrency and add your payment method and buy it. And that's it. This is how you can buy the Popcat on the Coinbase app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.